Working with India's number one commerce institute is a responsibility, a challenge, and a very interesting job. I am aware that I am working with the leader of commerce education in Kerala, and I'm responsible for contributing to the company to remain the leader. I am Nayana Mathew, Assistant Manager, Student Relations. I never had a habit of checking the newspaper for job opportunities, but I happened to see an advertisement in a newspaper that Lakshya was hiring, and that too was a mass recruitment. So I thought I'll give it a try because their job description was exactly matching with what I actually wanted in my career. So I came here, I had a couple of levels of interviews, and yeah, I joined with Lakshya, and that too I started my journey in Lakshya as an HR counselor because my background was in psychiatry and psychology, and taking care of the mental health of the employees was my responsibility. Then I shifted to the core HR. I was handling the HR operations about an year or something, and then I moved to a leadership role, and that was very interesting because I happened to manage a team of 10 members, and that was an absolute learning time for me. And I think that made me a good manager. And then of course, training being my passion, and that is the core area of my interest, I came back to student relations and placements, and I started training students. I used to take trainings for them. I used to conduct events for them. Now you see most of the events that we do here, which is basically the student engagement activities, because the students right now we have a lot of skills and talents, so we are giving them a platform to showcase their skills and talents. Plus we are building the leaders of future generations, because every events in Lakshya are conducted and coordinated by students, so those opportunities are giving them a hands-on experience in becoming a leader. Challenge is bringing out the best in the students who are the future leaders of finance industry. And this challenge is the most interesting part of my job. I am working here past 4 years. I have a wide variety of experiences that makes me a better professional now. So Lakshya is a place where if you are willing to put in your 100%, if you are a go-getter, this is your place. At the end of the day, it's a proud experience watching the students bud, sprout, and flourish to chartered accountants and finance professionals and fly high in their future and career. It's a pure bliss.